Okay, so everyone, so we are gonna start the lesson today. Hopefully your friends are coming soon. So let me share the screen. Can everyone see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. So we are going to continue what we have learned last meeting is about quantifiers, yeah. So do you still remember what the quantifiers?
Yes, quantifiers is words to describe quantity.
Quantity, yeah. So but last time you remember you can see the shape or let's say things that is about uncountable ya, yang nggak bisa dihitung. So now we are going to continue. We have what is it? The video about quantifiers lagi ya. Tapi ini lebih spesifik, it's about many and much. Is everyone ready?
Yes, Miss.
Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about two things, question words and quantity words. But to start, we need to review countable and uncountable nouns. A countable noun is something that you can count, like this. 1 banana, 2 bananas, 1 jar, 2 jars, 1 carton, 2 cartons. Uncountable nouns are things that we can't count, like frozen yogurt, milk, bread, or jam. When we want to ask questions about different quantities, we can use two question words, how many and how much. We use how many for countable nouns. For example, how many bananas do we need? Bananas are countable, so we use how many. We use how much for uncountable nouns. For example, how much milk have you got? We can't exactly count milk, so how much is the way to go? So how do we answer these questions? With quantity words. Our friend a lot of is going to help us. It means a big quantity of something. We can use a lot of to talk about a big quantity of both countable nouns. For example, how many eggs do we have? We have a lot of eggs. How much yogurt do we have? We have a lot of yogurt. We also have some other words for expressing a big quantity of something. They are many and much. We can always use a lot of with both countable and uncountable nouns. We can also use many with countable nouns and much with uncountable nouns. But we use many and much more in negative sentences, like these. For example, how many eggplants have we got? Ooh, only 1 eggplant. We haven't got many eggplants. How much bread have we got? Oof, only half a loaf. We haven't got much bread. So in conclusion, we have question words and quantity words. And we have countable nouns, which are things you can count, and uncountable nouns, which are things you can't. If we want to ask a question about a countable noun, we use how many. And for uncountable nouns, we use how much. To express a big quantity of a countable noun, we can use a lot of or many in negative sentences. For uncountable nouns, we can also use a lot of or much in negative sentences.
Oke, kedengeran nggak suara Miss nih? Halo. Oke, iya. Jadi as you can see from the screen, Okay, we are going to focus on now this time. Like I mentioned you last time that, oh yeah, quantifiers is focused on uncountable nouns gitu ya. Jadi biasanya dipakai untuk yang uncountable nouns. Nah, di sini kita akan fokusnya adalah bertanya bagaimana question words-nya sama quantity words-nya gitu ya. As you can see from the screen. Sebentar. Nah, kalau kita lihat, when you want to ask kayak oil, apa aja sih uncountable nouns? Oil, water, dan yes, oil, water. Ataupun sugar. What else?
Money.
Money, yes, money. What else?
Garam.
Yes, garam ya. Apa garam?
Salt.
Salt, okay ya.
Sand.
Sugar. Sand, yes, even sand, even also sand. So when you have, when you have the uncountable nouns and you want to ask, as you can see from the video, you can use how much. Yeah. But if it is countable noun, so you can use how many. Okay, it's clear?
Yes, Miss, it's clear.
Okay, and then as you can see also from the video just now, usually we can say a lot of too. Kita juga bisa pakai a lot of, ataupun tadi di video ada lots of, itu juga sama, bisa. Malah, and actually when you say a lot of or a lot of, you can use for both countable and uncountable. Ya, jadi dua-duanya bisa. But when you want to ask, you can you have to use it different because we have option how many and how much. Clear?
Clear, Miss.
Okay. And then now, and what I want to highlight again is if you want to use the word many and much, usually it is used or they are used in negative sentences. Tapi kalau a lot of, you can use it in positive sentences like that ya. Jadi kalian akan pakai many sama much kapan saja? When will you use it?
Sentence.
Negative sentence and many and much, apalagi?
Asking amount of things.
Yeah, or you can say, you can use many, oh sorry. Loh, kok dia ke situ. Okay, jadi you can use the many and much if one is in a question, two in a
Sentence.
negative, yes, negative sentence and question tense. When you want to question tense, jadinya Miss Lydia, when you are questioning gitu. But when you want to say in positive, so you can say a lot of. Tadi seperti tadi dilihat di video ya. Bentar, jadi kalau nanti bilang berapa banyak air yang kamu minum sehari, how do you say? Berapa banyak air yang kamu minum sehari?
3 bottles.
How?
3 liter.
Making the question first. How many? No, how many?
How
Jadinya Miss
much?
Lydia. Yes, how much? Kenapa Miss Lydia jadi how many? How much air yang kamu minum setiap hari?
3 liter.
How much water do you
8 liter.
drink? No. We are going to make the question first. Kita bikin pertanyaannya dulu ya. Ada yang mau jawab? Biasanya sih kalau di iklan 8 ya. Okay, that's bisa dilihat ya, kita menggunakan how much tidak pakai let's say how a lot. We know that a lot of artinya banyak, tapi kita tidak bisa pakai dalam kalimat tanya. Do you get what I mean?
Yes, Miss. What I'm okay. What kind of negative sentence use a lot of much and many words? What like what?
Okay. What do you want? What do you want to ask is what kind of sentence? If it is many or much and a lot of.
Yeah. So
Okay. Mm-hmm. So what?
So, like in the video said, it's
Mm-mm.
the quantity words for a lot of, and thingy there is something I mean the starting that tells that it's a negative sentence. Like,
Yeah.
what does it mean by negative sentence?
Okay. Yes.
And why
So,
it have to
mhm.
be negative sentence?
Okay. But when someone asks you, how much money do you have? Do you always have money?
No.
No, that's the negative. When you want to say, oh, I don't have money, but you want to emphasize, let's say, kalian mau menekankan, oh, saya nggak punya uang itu kayak gimana? Kalau nggak banyak, when you say banyak, so you can use many or much. For example, just now, okay, let me continue my sentence question first, and then I'll go with your answers. Okay, Ali, with your question, Ali. Okay, how much water do you drink a day? Let's say you drink a day. Oh, I drink a lot. Yeah, this is positive because you say that. Oh yeah, I drink. This is positive. Yeah, but if you say, oh, I don't drink, you want to say, oh, saya nggak minum banyak, Miss. Gitu. Berarti negatif. That's negative, right? That's negative, right? So you can say, I didn't. Let's say, sorry, not didn't. I don't drink. So you want to say, oh, saya nggak banyak minum, Miss. Nah, when you say banyak, but because it is water, so you say much instead of many. I don't drink much water, for example. Aduh, nggak kelihatan ya kayaknya ini ya. Sebentar, misalnya dia ganti dulu. Kelihatan nggak ya sekarang lumayan? Better? How is it? Is it better now?
Yes.
I don't drink much water. Here, you use much because it's water. Now, let's say we say about before, that's the negative. This is what I mean by negative. Because when you say, just now I gave you like, do you have money? How much money do you have? Now let's continue with how much money do you have? So, how much money do you have? Okay. Ini sama ya pertanyaannya tentang uncountable lagi dulu. Kalau kalian punya uang banyak berarti kalimatnya positif. So you can choose a lot of. I have a lot of money. But when you don't have, that's negative. You can say, I don't have much money. Itu yang contoh yang tidak bisa dihitung. But when, let's say, when you say, sini sebentar. Miss Lydia malah ngebalikin lagi. Nah, untung ada. Okay, now we go with this countable nouns. For example, how many apa ya? Books have you read? For example, sudah berapa banyak buku yang kamu baca? Okay, you can answer it. Oh, I have read a lot of books. Ini yang positifnya karena kita kalau ketika positif kita pakainya a lot of. Prefernya seperti itu ya. But if it is negative, oh saya belum banyak baca, Miss. I haven't read. Nah ini baru many books karena books itu bisa dihitung. You can see how do you use the many and many and much in questioning and also in negative sentences. Bisa terlihat perbedaannya?
Yes.
Yes, from Ali. How about from Mirza?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. How about from Raisa or Huday?
Yes, Miss.
You can, okay. You can understand. Is it clear?
Clear.
Okay. How about Kemas? Aduh, Kemas baru datang ya? Hai, Kemas.
Hi, Miss.
Okay, how is it now? Oh, your voice is still hoarsing. Masih serak-serak ya?
Yeah.
Your voice is still hoarsing. Okay, so hopefully you are getting well soon, Kemas. Okay, gitu ya. So that's how you use the many and much. and also a lot of. Gitu ya. Jadi nanti kalian bisa, yes.
Kalau pohon yang ada di bumi suka ke much atau many?
Pohon yang ada di bumi, kenapa pohon yang ada di bumi?
Suka much atau many?
Oke. Pohon secara ini kalau secara gramatikalnya itu dia masuknya many karena masih bisa dihitung. Tapi kalau kamu tanya, let's say if you ask me, let's say the composition of the trees, of course you cannot measure it, kan? Nggak bisa dihitung kan? Kayak misalnya trangnya itu dari akarnya atau apa semuanya kan nggak mungkin kita bisa hitung. But as a whole entity sebagai satu keseluruhan, tentunya pohonnya bisa dihitung seperti itu.
Masih, Miss.
Okay, other question?
No.
Okay. Who else? Ada lagi?
No, Miss. Thank you.
Oke. Baik, kalau nggak ada, Miss Lydia lanjut ya. Oke, sebentar. Videonya sudah. Kok? Oh iya, ini belum. Sebentar. Let's go with our textbook ya. Kemarin kita sudah di sini. Aduh, sebentar ya. Okay, now we go. Kita lanjut. So we are gonna continue what we have practiced last time. Is everyone ready?
Yeah.
Ayo semangat. Okay, so not this. Yes, this one first. Okay, benar ini ya. So we're gonna refresh a bit about what we have learned last time. So, we're gonna seperti biasa ya, kita pakai ini dulu ya. Apa namanya? What's that? Oh, okay. Who is number one? Let me check. Number one is Ali. Ali, do you? Oh, as usual ya. Ali biasanya pakai remote. So Ali, you can use the remote to answer it. Okay, please. Number one first.
Oh wait.
You can drag. Yes, you can drag. Okay, thank you, Ali. Yeah. So can you read the sentence first, Ali?
I need to blow. I need to blow my nose. Pass me that blah 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 of tissues. In this case,
Okay.
it's box.
Yes, as you can see the shape ya. Ini kan kalau kita lihat kemarin yang udah kita pelajari adalah you can see the shape also, right? Depends on the shape of the noun ya, bendanya apa gitu ya. Good job. And now number 2 is Mirza. Mirza, do you
Yes,
want to
Miss.
try or
Yes, boleh,
you're
Miss,
gonna
try
use
aja.
annotated? Ya, udah lama ya. Oke, sebentar Mirza. Boleh, sayang? Okay. Good. Can you read the sentence, Mirza? Bisa akhirnya Mirza. Oke, Mirza silakan. Can you read the sentence?
I forgot to buy a tube of toothpaste in the supermarket.
Okay. Good. Okay. Sebentar. Okay, number 3. Three. Okay, hold on. Raisa, what do you want?
Ini terserah.
What is it?
Itu gimana?
Annotate or mau pakai annotate atau mau pakai remote?
Pakai annotate aja.
Oh, annotate aja. Oke, boleh. Please. Okay, can you read?
My dad gave my mom a bunch of flowers.
Okay, good job. Okay, and number 4, we have Huday.
I'm so thirsty. Can I have a glass of lemonade, please?
Oh, oke. Ini karena Hudainya lemes, jadi kayaknya beneran haus nggak nih Huday ini? Oke, good job. Oh, berarti Miss Lydia pilih a glass ya. Miss Lydia drag dulu ya. Oke, good job. And then now let's move to Kemas.
Yes.
Kemas, what do you want? Annotate or remote?
Coba remote dulu deh. Selalu pakai
Mau
HP.
coba remote? Oke, please. Bentar ya. Sure.
Ganti.
Kenapa?
Aku nggak ngerti semua cara makanya.
You drag it. You drag the word in the box.
Salah lagi.
Tapi ada kan ya request dari Miss Lydia ada?
Ada. Bentar.
Oh, itu ada. Itu. Good.
Oh, gini.
Mhm.
Ya nggak sih?
You're right. Udah kok, udah bisa itu Kemas kontrol.
Udah annotate aja, Miss.
Annotate aja. Kenapa? Kok udah nyerah?
Susah banget. Tuh nggak bisa. Dia nggak bisa dipakai. Nggak ngerti aku. Nggak pernah pakai. Mungkin
That's
gini.
okay. Okay, Miss Lydia bantuin. You hold the word that you want to choose, and then you drag it.
No, gagal. Udah itu Miss ya. Nomor 5 yang roll.
Roll. Okay. Oh, it's not drag yet. Belum ke drag kan? Coba.
Aku nggak bisa ngedrag lagi.
Oh, oke, nggak apa-apa. Oke, nggak apa-apa. Miss Lydia bantuin
Bentar.
ya.
Dek, bukan oleh.
Do you want to try?
No.
No? No, okay. Let me. Okay, so the answer is roll.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Can you read?
Yes. We need a new roll of toilet paper.
Okay. Paper. Because if it is paper. Oh, ini kemarin. Oh iya, Kemasnya nggak masuk kemarin. So actually we discussed about this last time. That's okay. So it's paper. Good. Thank you, Kemas. Now we have the last two. Who wants to answer it? You can raise your hand. Okay, Ali. Okay, Ali. You give me the remote. And one more, siapa hari satu lagi? Oke, Ali dulu, baru Mirza ya. Oke.
We've already eaten the whole of food.
Okay, thank you, Ali. And then Mirza, you want to try again with the remote?
Yes.
Oke, Miss Lydia udah kasih sayang. No, okay. Okay, great. Can you read? Oh, tadi lupa Miss Lydia minta Ali read ya. Nggak apa-apa. Oke. Mirza, boleh dibaca, sayang?
There's a head of lettuce in the fridge.
Oke, sebentar ya. Oke, kita coba bahas ya, kita cek ya. Oke, kita cek. So we have box, tube, bunch, glass, roll, packet, and hat. Okay, that's correct ya. Box, tube, bunch, glass, roll, packet, and hat. Kayak gitu. Okay, good. Now that's the first exercise. Any question?
No, Miss.
No. Kita lanjut dulu ke game dulu ya. So nanti kita akan balik ke sana lagi. Kita coba ke game. Boleh ke game. Okay, is everyone ready?
Yes, Miss. I'm ready.
Oke, kita main dulu sambil refreshing dulu ya yang untuk yang topik yang ininya ya. Oke, start ya. Okay, let's do it together. So, kira-kira apa ini? What is it?
Nasi goreng.
One.
Rice.
Don't forget the quantifiers. Don't forget the quantifiers.
A plate of fried rice.
A plate of fried rice. Okay, and then sorry.
No.
Sorry.
I don't know.
Sebentar ya. Hold on. Kalau Miss Lydia salah ngeklik. Jadi nggak fokus Miss Lydia ini. Bentar ya. Ulang lagi. Okay, how about this one?
A can of soda.
Can of Coke.
A can of soda or a can of Coke. Betul, karena kita sudah pelajari itu ya. And then next.
I
A
don't
jar of
know.
pickle.
A jar of pickle. Great.
A box of
A box
cereal.
of cereal.
A
Cereal.
box of cereal. Yes, a box of cereal. Okay, and then
A loaf of bread.
a loaf of bread.
Bread.
Good job. And then
A
A
carton of
carton
milk.
of milk.
Carton.
There's a glass too.
there are two there. Ada dua ya. So, berarti yang
Oh,
pertama,
There's a carton.
There's a carton and a glass of milk.
a carton and a glass of
Milk.
milk. Okay, good job everyone. Now,
A spoon of.
A spoonful
Is it sugar?
of sugar.
oh, good job. Siapa tadi yang spoonful? Yes, a spoonful of, is that sugar or salt? Let me see. I guess salt. Because it's tinier. Lebih kecil sih ya, kayaknya salt ya. Okay. Good, lagi. Ya, spoon of salt, I guess. Tapi nggak apa-apa kalau mau sugar juga ya. Yang penting kalau kalian lihat itu sugar ya sugar, atau itu salt. But if the shape is a spoonful, the spoon, so you can say spoonful. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Ya, Miss Lydia salah ngeklik lagi. Maaf ya. Bentar ya. Aduh, salah ngeklik. Jadinya mana tadi? This one.
Bar of
A
chocolate.
bar of chocolate.
A bar of chocolate. Good job.
Salah
This
ngomong.
one.
A bag of
Bag of
chips.
chips.
A
A bag of chips.
a bag of chips ya. Kalau if it is if it is bigger, you still remember, right? A bag of sugar, a bag of flour, a bag of. Okay, good. And then
A piece of cake.
a piece of cake. Good.
A slice of
if you-
cake.
Or a slice of cake. Yes. And then ini tadi udah.
Cereal.
This one. Yes, a box of cereal. How about this?
A bottle of peach. Wait.
Jar of cranberry jam.
Yes, that's. But it looks like bottle, but it can be also jar ya. I think because it has the lid, mungkin bisa kita pakai. We can say a bar of cranberry juice, or you can say. But I think this one is bottle. Kayaknya minuman sih ini ya, pure cranberry, not jam. So you can say a bottle of cranberry juice because juice usually is liquid and it's in a bottle gitu ya. That's okay. Good. Next.
A
How
slice
about
of
this one?
pizza.
A slice of pizza. Yeah. Who wants a slice of pizza?
Me.
Me.
Yeah. Lydia juga mau. Okay, then next. This is
A
from
pot
the
of
video. Yes, a pot of
Soup.
You can remember from the video, yeah? Okay. And then now, next. Oh, ini udah tadi. How about this?
A tube of toothpaste.
A tube of
Toothpaste.
toothpaste. Good job. Okay. How about
A
this?
slice of
A
cheese.
slice of cheese.
Are you sure that one is a slice?
Oh no.
A lot of cheese.
How many slices?
There is
Two.
2 slices of cheese.
2 slices.
2 slices of. Oh, you still remember, right? Even though it is not, cheese is uncountable. Ya, kita tahu cheese itu nggak bisa dihitung. Tapi kalau sudah ada quantifiersnya, maka dia bisa dihitung. Oke. Ya, karena kita lihat, tadi kan Miss Lydia nanya how many slices. Karena slice-nya bisa dihitung. Tapi kalau Miss Lydia nanya how much cheese, nah ini baru kita bisa bilangnya hanya bisa. Cheese pakainya how much, bukan bilangnya how many gitu. So, how many slices?
2 slices.
Yes, 2 slices of
Cheese.
cheese. You got the point? Paham ya maksud Miss Lydia apa ya? Kalau nanyanya how pakai slicesnya baru kita bilangnya how many, tapi kalau cheese-nya kita pakainya how much karena cheese-nya bisa dihitung. Is it clear?
Clear, Miss.
Okay.
Kemarin toh.
How about this?
A pack of cigarettes.
A pack of cigarette.
Cigarette.
Yeah. Okay, cigarette. Okay. And then
Jar of
we've done this.
pickle.
Yes, Ali's favorite and Miss Lydia too. This one just finished. How about this?
A
Everyone's
bag
favorite.
of instant noodles.
Is it a bag?
Oh, wait. No,
Uh,
it's a pack of instant noodles.
it's a pack or a packet?
A
Yeah.
pack.
It's
Do you still remember?
It's
Do you still remember?
Of noodles.
Oh no, I forgot.
It's a packet of. Okay, yeah, packet ya, noodles. Okay, good. How about this?
Of ramen.
Noodles.
A bowl of ramen. Ya, boleh. Kalau ini ramen ya, tapi kalau ini instant noodle, you can say it's a bowl of instant noodles. Boleh. Okay, how about this one just finished now? This one also. How about this?
Cup
Ini
of
kemarin
tea.
kita
Coffee.
So
Wait,
is it
no,
a coffee
I
or
just
tea?
answered tea.
It looks confusing, yeah. But I think this one, if I look at this, I think it's a coffee because it has the what is that? Kok tiba-tiba Miss Lydia? Kok Miss Lydia tiba-tiba lupa itunya bahasa Inggrisnya? Aduh, kopi yang endapnya. Ya, no, it has the essence. Bukan essence. Kok tiba-tiba Miss Lydia lupa? Nanti ya, nanti kalau ada ini ingat. Oke, jadi ada endapannya. Jadi ini namanya kita bilangnya. So this one is coffee. Or yeah, if it is tea, you can say a cup of tea. Okay. Last but not least,
A plate of steak.
actually ya.
Steak.
Yes. What is? Kenapa? What did you say?
No, Miss, no.
Oke. Ya, kalau untuk beef sama seperti dengan pizza dan yang lainnya, you can say a slice, ya. Because but this for the beef or meat, usually if it is slice, you can say slice. If it is chop, you can say chop. Because some apa namanya, some meat are sliced. Some meat are minced. Ada yang dicincang. Some meat are also sometimes maybe chop kalau memang dalam bentuk chop seperti itu ya. Is it clear?
Yes.
Kalau ini karena kita potong, karena ini mungkin disajikannya di dalam wood plate gini ya, kita bisa bilangnya a slice of gitu aja ya, bisa pakainya a slice aja. Okay, good job everyone. You still remember only for the instant noodle tadi ya, yang ada miss dikit gitu. Okay, so now let's continue. We are going to drag again. Kita akan coba lagi, terutama di sini kita akan bahas tentang yang countable sama uncountable-nya ya. You have to drag, but this you have to do it in sequence. Ini harus berurutan karena kalau enggak nanti di kedeteknya salah gitu ya. Jadi dari sandwich dulu, dia kategorinya apa, countable atau uncountable seperti itu. Is it clear?
Oke.
Oke, Ali, you can go first. Ini ada berapa ya? Sebentar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ali, you can answer too.
Okay, I can answer.
You have to do it in sequence. Harus berurutan, sayang. Kalau nggak nanti dianggapnya salah. So you have to go from sandwich first. Is sandwich? Okay. Okay. Let me before. What kalau do you still remember if I ask you books, and then also you have you heard sandwiches, sausages? Pernah dengar nggak semuanya? Nggak hanya
No.
buat Ali nih, buat semuanya. Oke. Oke, nggak apa-apa kalau kayak gitu. Boleh. Silahkan disimpan dulu. Berarti sandwichnya dulu ya. Mana nih tadi sandwich di mana? Oke. It's okay. Nanti misalnya dia bahas.
I just guessed it.
That's
Tapi
okay, that's okay.
kamu untuk pilih yang mana?
Nggak apa-apa, nggak apa-apa. Kalau Mirza,
Yes, Miss.
Mirza mau pakai remote sayang?
Ya boleh, Miss. Pakai remote aja.
Oke, yeay. Hari ini Mirza pakai remote. Sebentar. Oh iya ya, ke ini ya sayang. Bentar-bentar. Misalnya dia hilangin dulu sebentar. Oke. Who got disconnected?
Udah.
Miss, can I go to the restroom?
Sure, please. Oke, Ali Mirza udah ya. Oke, nggak apa-apa ini. Memang kadang kalau kalau countable sama uncountable ini somehow can be a little bit confusing gitu ya. Pasti akan sedikitnya memusingkan seperti itu. But later on kalau kalian tahu nanti ada beberapa keywordnya yang bisa kita pakai untuk membantu selain bisa dihitung atau tidak bisa dihitung gitu ya. Oke, kita lanjut dulu ke Raisa. Raisa mau pakai remote atau mau pakai annotate sayang?
Remote aja.
Remote aja. Oke, sebentar ya.
Iya.
Oke, udah kasih saja.
Gimana tuh? Ah, susah banget. Ya ampun. Annotate aja deh, Miss.
Annotate aja. Raisa menyerah. Oke. Boleh sayang. Yang mana? Oke, lemonade. And then?
2.
How about water? Yes, 2 sayang.
Water in uncountable nouns.
Uncountable nouns. Oke. Now, Huday udah balik belum dari toilet nih? Tadi Huday yang ke toiletnya. Oke, Mas dulu atau Huday? Loh, Agak switch. Harusnya Huday sih ya. Oke, Huday, are you there? Huday udah balik belum ya? Huday, are you back? Kalau belum, berarti kita ke Kemas dulu ya. Kemas. Kemas, are you there?
Yes, yes.
Oke. Kemas mau pakai remote atau mau pakai annotate, sayang?
Aduh, ya notet aja.
Lagi pengen annotate. Oke, boleh. Please.
Bukan, saya nggak pakai laptop. Susah banget. Nggak ngerti saya caranya.
Somehow it's irritating ya, nyebelin ya. Memang kalau pakai remote ya nggak apa-apa. Oke, boleh.
Cara-
Annotate misalnya dia bantu.
Kalau notet gimana? Oh gini.
Annotate-nya langsung sayang pakai.
Astagfirullah.
Yang carrot sama pizza ya, carrot sama pizza.
Sebenarnya belum ngerti.
Oh iya, Kemas nggak masuk ya. Oke, Kemas
Maybe
ada.
carrot.
Nggak apa-apa, dicoba dulu aja. Carrot bisa dihitung kak?
Bisa mungkin ini yang sebelah kiri.
Kiri, oke. Kalau pizza?
Kan bisa dihitung juga berarti sama.
Oke, siap, baik. Oke, now is Huday back? Is Huday back? Oke, kayaknya is Huday back? Is Huday back? Oh, belum ya. Oke, kita coba bareng-bareng sekarang. Salt, how about salt? Countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Cookie.
Countable.
Countable. Okay, and then steak.
Countable.
Countable?
Yes.
Wait.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Stick.
Okay.
Yes.
How about donut? Donut.
Uncountable.
Donut is countable.
It's uncountable.
Countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Hey, garlic.
Countable.
Countable or countable?
Countable kan bisa dihitung.
Yes, it's countable because
We don't have any space. Cuman satu lagi nih, the last space for countable. How about butter?
No, it's uncountable.
Uncountable.
Celery.
Uncountable.
Oke. Ya, sedikit memang tadi Miss Lida sampaikan ya, dikit aja Miss Lida ini. Jadi biasanya kalau pastinya suka Miss Lida sampaikan kan when it comes to countable, uncountable is something that you cannot measure. Gitu ya, nggak bisa kalian hitung. But if let's say if it has liters ataupun kilos, itu adalah satu beratnya gitu ya, atau ukurannya itu bisa. Tapi kalau dia hanya dalam bentuk materialnya saja gitu ya, materialnya itu tidak bisa dihitung. Jadi bahannya aja gitu, kejunya aja, airnya aja, garamnya aja. Tapi kalau dia udah masuk dalam benda, itu baru bisa dihitung. Gitu. Bedakan dengan benda-benda yang memang tanpa medium, they can be counted, yang bisa dihitung. Contohnya yaitu seperti biasa kita tahu book gitu kan. Nah, kalau kalian ini biasanya keywordsnya itu adalah kalau benda yang bisa dihitung itu bisa pakai S belakangnya atau ES. For example, ada banyak rubah, boxes, seperti itu. Nanti juga kalau kalian dengar, kalian pernah dengar kata sandwich, right?
Yes.
But have you ever heard sandwiches? So when you see or hear about ES atau S gitu ya, SES di belakang benda, berarti itu termasuk yang bisa dihitung. So let's say cookie. You heard before also cookies, right? Berarti cookie dan cookies bisa dihitung atau tidak?
Bisa.
Bisa secara cookiesnya. Tapi kalau nanti kalau mau pakai tempat, nah baru kalian pakai yang namanya mediumnya. Misalnya kemarin cookies itu pakainya a packet ya. A packet of cookies. Seperti itu. Kalau cookiesnya. Memang yang cookie ini ada PR nih. Yang cookie doang nih ya. Kalau yang lainnya enggak nih. Oh ada satu lagi. Pizza. Pizza nggak bisa dihitung. Aduh nih memang. Kalau ini jatuhnya hafalin ya sayang ya. Pizza cannot. Gitu. Makanya dia kenapa pakai a slice of pizza, cookie juga gitu tuh. Soal tidak pakai gitu ya. Sorry, cookie mah termasuk bisa dihitung, kalau pizza enggak. Seperti itu. So it's the category, paling kan hafalkan dulu nih. Nah, coba yang ini Miss Lydia tanya. Sausage sama sausages.
It's multiple nouns.
Karena ya, jadi kalau nanti kalian mendengar, tapi mendengarnya yang benar ya, ataupun baca when you see that oh it has s or es at the end of the noun, kalau ada kata benda yang belakangnya ada ses, berarti itu ya adalah yang countable, yang bisa dihitung. Tapi kalau ada benda yang tidak pakai ses belakangnya, berarti dia termasuk yang tidak bisa dihitung. Nah, yang paling sering itu memang untuk contoh yang umum itu adalah yang uncountable itu air, kayak gitu ya. Oil, also juga di sini ada salt gitu. Nah, kalau berarti selain itu nantinya berarti tinggal masukkan ke kategori yang countable noun seperti itu. Aduh, dia ada ribet nih ngejelasinnya ya. Aduh, nggak apa-apa. Nanti the more you practice, the more you see or hear or read the words in English, nanti kalian bisa tahu ya. Oke?
Okay.
Oke, kita coba. Ada yang mau coba rubah dulu nggak ini jawabannya? Miss, kalau kayak gitu aku mau coba rubah. Atau kita cek dulu saja, terserah, bebas. Tapi ini,
I think no.
oke, kita coba ya. Kita klik finish dulu ya. Oke. That's okay. Kita lihat. Nah, okay, everyone. Let's see. Let's do it together. Now we know that, so we know now that sausage is, what is it?
Uncountable.
Uncountable.
Oke. Ini kayaknya bukan. Ini harusnya countable kok. Oh, urutan nih kayaknya. Oke, should be. Ya, sandwich and sausage itu harusnya masuknya countable. Tapi ini kayaknya urutannya nih. Coba Miss Lydia benerin dulu ya. Kita sesuai urutan ya. Bentar. Oke, kita urutin dulu ya. Flour, berarti uncountable. Chili, pernah dengar chilies? Countable. Ya.
Countable.
Oke, lemonade,
Yes, it's uncountable.
and then
Uncountable.
Obviously no.
carrot,
Yes, it's countable.
Yes.
so pizza,
Yes, it's
Uncountable.
countable.
uncountable.
Wait, no.
Salt,
Wait. Is pizza uncountable?
Pizza is uncountable because it has a slice of pizza.
Oh, wait. Yeah, because not every slice and not every pizza is the same size or stuff. So yeah, it's uncountable.
okay, how about salt?
Uncountable.
And then
Cookie is countable.
Countable.
okay, cookie, and then
Steak, it's countable.
It's countable.
okay, uncount, and then
What? Oh,
uncount
donut.
or count?
Yeah, it's uncountable. And
Donut
donut is
Donut?
countable.
Uncountable.
Countable. Garlic?
Yeah, it's countable because
Uncountable.
Ya, pernah dengar a clove? Have you ever heard clove? Nah, itu
Yeah,
adalah
I
quantifier dari, so let me write here, clove. Ini adalah quantifier dari, ini untuk quantifier untuk yang berbau siung-siung ya. Itu bahasa Indonesia kan siung ya. Jadi bawang putih, bawang merah. Nah, ini pakainya atau aturannya pakai apa namanya? Quantifier berarti termasuk kategori uncountable. Ingatnya itu aja. Kalau ada quantifiernya berarti dia termasuk juga uncountable. Oke, kita lanjut lagi. Berarti butter,
uncountable.
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 Celery,
Uncountable.
Uncountable.
is everyone sure? Celery is uncountable?
Yes.
Oke, kita coba cek semuanya ya. Tada!
Oh.
Okay, so yes, that's a sandwich, sausage. So when you hear that, that's why when you can hear that some people say sandwiches because it has apa namanya, it is classified as countable. Sausage, chilies juga kalian pernah dengar, carrots, cookies, donut. Tapi yes, but only for cookie ini secara kuehnya. Tapi kalau secara jenis, misalnya contoh kan cookie banyak ya. Nah itulah yang dimaksud yang nggak bisa dihitung ya. Makanya dia pakai a packet of cookie gitu. Tapi kalau secara ininya udah jelas kita bisa hitung nih. Ini ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bisa dihitung ya. Tapi kalau yang dimaksud dengan a packet of cookies itu adalah kue-kue yang kita tidak tahu gitu. Karena kan banyak jenisnya ya. Bisa cookies yang mana aja. Nah itu perlu dengan satu quantifiersnya. Like that. Tapi kalau secara cookie yang udah dalaman isinya, misalnya ada 6 miss isinya, nah itu cookies yang bisa dihitung ya, maksudnya seperti itu. Is it clear?
Yes.
Aduh, complicated ya, tapi but that's okay everyone. That's what is it? The topic about how many, how much, many much, a lot of, and also now you have to categorize this gitu. Oke, kita lanjut lagi dulu ya. Satu lagi terakhir nih, let's do it together aja kayaknya, because I got a call and I need to take it. Is that okay? But let's do it together ya. Now,
Okay.
okay. Udin, I'll be home late today. Could you do some shopping for me? Here is
A list of things we
A
need.
list.
okay, a list of things we need. Okay, what is it first?
A box of
bag.
cereals.
A box of cereals. And
Wait.
then
A carton of milk.
Carton of milk.
a carton of milk. Sebentar. Okay, and then
A can of
Can of
tuna.
tuna.
yes, a can of tuna. Ataupun kalian bisa juga pakai a tin of tuna ya, depends on. Okay, and then how about spinach?
A bunch of spinach.
Yes, biasanya a bunch ini bisa buat sayuran, bisa buat buah-buahan, bunga kayak gitu ya. Okay, next.
A
A
kilo
dozen
of
of
potatoes.
A jar of potatoes.
A
No, a
kilo.
dozen.
Potatoes. Biasanya potato itu ya memang kalau di
Jualnya
kita mah
kiloan kan, Miss?
diplastikin ya.
Kalau bisnis.
Kalau di kita mah udah gitu diplastikin lagi ya. Dan juga kiloan. Nah, biasanya berarti dalam bentuk apa itu?
Kilo.
A dozen.
Ya, bisa ya. Ini kita bisa pakai kilo dulu saja ya. Oke, lalu
Bag of flour.
a bag of flour.
A
And
kilo
then?
of eggs.
A
Kilo.
dozen of eggs.
Wait.
Hmm?
Oh.
You still remember last time waktu pas yang Mirza deh kalau nggak salah Miss Lydia.
A tray of eggs.
Kalau bentuknya tray, kalau nggak ada tray,
A
satuannya
packet.
telur. Do you still remember telur?
Yeah.
Yang Mirza ngerjain ternyata itu kata Miss Lydia salahnya karena dia tuh nggak satu lusin tapi cuma setengah lusin. Do you still remember?
Dozen.
Yes, a dozen of eggs. Ya, biasanya kalau telur itu lusinan kan satuannya. Oke, next.
A jar
jar.
of strawberry jam.
Okay, a jar of strawberry jam and
A
A
roll
roll
of
of toilet paper.
a roll of toilet paper. And then
You
To
can
say
buy a
say,
cone of ice cream or
a cone
a
of ice
packet of
cream.
cookies if you
packet of
want.
cookies if you want.
Yeah, okay. Good job everyone ya. Oke, kita klik dulu finish. Oh, oh my bad. Ini Miss Lydia udah berapa kali ngerjain soal ini kok nggak sadar ya ada gambarnya di sini ya. Dikit ada gambar dikit sini untuk membantu. Oke, let's click it. Yeah, we are all clear ya about the quantifiers ya. Bagaimana ada saya gamenya satu lagi, but unfortunately time is up. So I think that's all. Let me stop sharing dulu. So nanti buat Kemas mudah-mudahan ini nanti coba lihat lagi videonya ya sayangnya udah ketinggalannya lumayan nih. Kasihan Kemasnya nih ya. Oke deh. I think that's all everyone. Thank you for coming today. But before that, Miss Lydia lupa nanya. Ada pertanyaan dulu nggak? Takutnya ada pertanyaan nih.
When there is will be
Okay then. So I think that's all. Thank you everyone.
Yes.
And I hope I can. Yes, Ali.
when we got Kahoot.
Next week then, because the theory is already finished. So next week we're gonna have Kahoot about quantifiers. So you have to review the lesson, okay? In case you
Okay.
forgot last week. Okay then. Thank you everyone. So I hope I can see you next week. See you everyone. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Actually, Miss,
Yes.
just tomorrow I got an English final exam.
Wow. And
So
then
So basically I didn't have to learn because we just learn English.
wait, the topic is the same. The exam is the same. The question.
No, the exam is about sports.
Oh, okay. But what I can say, break a leg, Ali, for tomorrow's exam. Wish you all the best, Ali. I know you can do it, but take your time to answer the question, okay? Don't be too hustle.
Okay,
Okay?
Miss.
Okay then. Thank you everyone. See you next week.
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Good night.
Hmm.